The delivery of this prototype for GreenLab and its international partners in the GreenHyScale project is an incredible milestone. Everyone's worked really hard to get to this stage where we can actually work with the unit and test it and optimize it. P2X is not just a tool for clean energy, but it's also a really important part of integrating the sectors. So sector coupling and making the best use of P2X can be done here.
The installation for test and validation of our X-Series electrolyser in GreenLab Skive, Denmark is an important step forward in the product maturity of the X-Series. This important step of testing and validating the X-Series helps both the GreenHyScale consortium and Green Hydrogen Systems in advancing a prototype version to becoming a commercially viable product.
So this is a unique location for the Power-to-X facility because we can fully integrate the P2X into our symbiosis net, which is an infrastructure which can integrate all of the industrial processes in our cluster. So we make the most use of this facility and the resources on our site together in this integrated symbiosis net. There's also an added element to this facility because it has a positive social effect. So we can connect this facility to our district heating here in the local communities, which gives a positive effect both for the climate, but also for those communities. So everyone gets something out of this.